Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a 10-minute stretching routine. It's simple, yet helps to stretch the entire body and boost the energy levels. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Relax your knees. Tuck your tailbone in to relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. To settle in for the practice and bring our mind into the body, go ahead and take a couple of nice deep breaths into your abdomen. Keep your breath slow and deep, breathing in and out the nose. Continue the same breathing pattern. Begin moving your head up and down. We're going to be doing 6 repetitions for most of the exercises, so you can either follow me or count on your own. Be very gentle to your neck, focusing primarily on warming up the muscles. Return to center, then continue with left and right turns. I like to keep my chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. Remember to keep your head nice and uplifted, reaching tall through the crown of the head. One more time on each side. When you're finished, continue with shoulder rotation. Move slowly and deliberately, paying attention to opening of the chest and the shoulders. Feel free to alternate hands every time you roll out. Inhale as you open, exhale as you relax. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Change the direction, paying attention to opening of your chest, creating some space between your shoulder blades and your upper back. If you have a limited range of motion, adjust your range. Make sure you have no pain or discomfort. One more time, open and relax. Take a moment here to notice if you feel any different. We continue by warming up the spine. Shift your weight slightly forward onto the balls of your feet. Open up through your chest, chin up. Then tuck your tailbone in, roll your neck, and round your entire back. Continue 4 times. Breathe in as you open the body. Breathe out as you close. Same here, be kind and gentle to the muscles of the back, especially the lower back area. Simply enjoy this motion without creating any tension in your body. One more time, breathe in, exhale forward, and then return to center, relaxing your entire body. Continue with hip rotations. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground, your knees are fairly straight, and your lower back relaxed. Bring your attention to your hip area and notice how you feel there today. If this is your first exercise of the day, keep the motion very slow. You can always increase your range of motion once you're warmed up properly. Change the direction. Stay as relaxed as you can, trying to find some mobility in your hip joints. One more circle around, then come back to center. Then shift your weight onto one leg. Continue with hip openers. We repeat this movement 6 times on each leg. Remember to breathe properly. These are hungry muscles, they need the oxygen. Then slowly shift the weight to the other leg and continue on the other side. One more time. Open up and relax down. Get yourself back to the first leg and change the direction. Moving your leg out first and then bringing it in. Relax it down and change legs. Remember, you can always do this exercise with a little bit of support from a chair or a table nearby. Once you've finished, return to center and allow your legs and your hips to relax completely. From here, continue with toe raises. Take your time here to really work those little muscles in your feet. Stretch the soles of your feet. One more time, come up, lift your toes, and relax fully. Let's take a quick break by shaking the entire body. Just let it free, let it loosen up, arms, legs, feet. Then come back to center. From here, we're going to do some forward bends. Go ahead and open up through the front of the body. Then on the exhale, bend forward to lengthen through your spine. Continue. Inhale as you rise up. Exhale as you surrender and lengthen up. Repeat 4 times. Open the front of the body and then stretch the entire back. Remember to be gentle to your neck. When you go forward, keep it nice and long so you have that good circulation coming to the head. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you forward fold. One more time. Breathe in. And exhale, bringing your hands to a prayer position. Then relaxing fully. To finish today's session, we're going to do one exercise that helps us to stretch the entire body and all the meridians. Go ahead and interlace your fingers with your feet together. Keep the good posture. Slowly raise up on your toes, lifting your hands overhead. Use your toes for balance and maintain a good, solid posture. Remember to breathe and stay centered. If this is too challenging, you can always calm down halfway. A few more seconds here. Just keep breathing. Then release the position and relax your entire body. Just feel that energy, feel that rush spreading throughout your entire body. Step out to the side to distribute the weight. Move your heads away from the body to let the energy flow better. To help us settle in and relax, go ahead and take a couple of deep breaths into your belly. Keep your mind focused on your body, simply observing all the sensations inside. Close just below the belly button. Then bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you like this routine and have more time, I have a longer version of this morning stretches on my membership site. And as always, remember to subscribe to support the channel and get notified whenever I upload a new video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.